पारुल विद्यापीठातर्फे आयोजित वार्षिक सांस्कृतिक महोत्सवाला उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसाद लाभला असून मोठ्या उत्साहात हा कार्यक्रम संपन्न झाला। हा विद्यार्थ्यांची सर्जनशीलता, प्रतिभा आणि सांस्कृतिक चैतन्याचा एक उत्साहपूर्ण सोहळा होता। हा महोत्सव विविध प्रकारच्या सादरीकरणांचं आणि स्पर्धांचं प्रदर्शन करण्यासाठी एक गतिमान व्यासपीठ म्हणून कार्य करतो। यातून विद्यापीठात जोपासलेला समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक वारसा, कलात्मक अभिव्यक्ती आणि तरुणाईचा उत्साह प्रतिबिंबित झाला। विद्यार्थी, शिक्षण तज्ज्ञ आणि सांस्कृतिक क्षेत्रातील उत्साही व्यक्तींना एकत्र आणणारा कार्यक्रम उत्सव नाविन्य आणि सामाजिक सहभागाचा भाव अधोरेखित करून गेला। या महोत्सवाची सुरुवात सकाळपासून झाली आणि त्यानंतर दिवसभर चाललेल्या एका चैतन्यमय सोहळ्यात त्याचं रूपांतर झालं। यामध्ये विद्यार्थ्यांची सर्जनशीलता आणि प्रतिभा ठळकपणे दर्शवणारी मनमोहक सादरीकरणे, सांस्कृतिक प्रदर्शनं आणि रंजक स्पर्धांचा समावेश झाला। या प्रसंगी गोवा विधानसभेचे सदस्य अल्टून डिकोस्टा यांची उपस्थिती लाभली। त्यांच्या उपस्थितीमुळे संस्कृती, कला आणि तरुणाईच्या अभिव्यक्तीचा हा सोहळा अधिकच गौरवशाली आणि महत्त्वपूर्ण ठरला।
Dr. Devanshu Patel. I am president of Parul University, Goa. Today we have the privilege of having the presence of Alton sir, who is MLA of Cape, and the constituency in which our university, Parul University, is also located. Today we have the first annual day of the university. As you all know, this is the first state private university of Government of Goa, approved by Government of Goa. We started in the year 2025 with first batch of students. We had 570 students. Out of that, nearly 530 students are from Goa. So it's a highly localized university. And today we are proud to host the first annual day of the university. I am also proud to tell all of you that first time in history of Goa, our university represented in Youth Festival of Government of India, which is called Association of Indian Universities Youth Festival. And in the regional competition, where 3 states participated, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa, our university, Parul University Goa, came second in all the competitions together, which includes dance, drama, music and literary events. So it's a proud moment not only for our university but also for Goa. And these students also represented our university in nationals and have won various competitions. Throughout our establishment as university and our functioning, Alton sir and all the people who are associated with local panchayat, they have extended great support for us in terms of coming up with the university, providing the necessary human manpower and all the support which is required for us to come up with the university. And in the coming years, we are going to gradually expand the university. Our intent is to have 8,000 students studying in this university and around 2,500 students studying on campus. So we have started and we are on our course to take this forward.
I was quite happy knowing being a Panchayat member. What I understood today is more than 50% of the faculty of this college are girls. Almost 90 to 95% of non-teaching staff of this university present are girls. This I want you all media person to show the locals girls. There is a misconception saying girls are not getting jobs. But in this university, and we made it a point when requesting Dr. Devanshu. So girls should be even more emphasis on the job side as well as the students. But I was very happy when we had a discussion with Devanshu and we came to know that more than 50% of the faculty, the teaching staff are girls and the non-teaching staff 90 to 95% are girls. This is the highlight of what we did for our villages, especially of Goa and Kepe countries. I would thank and request Mr. Divanshu as well as Dr. Ajay to keep up this work and see that they can do the maximum to Goan students as well as the qualified Goans who can do some good thing to the society in this university.
सांगतो म्हळ्यार जेन्ना परोल युनिवर्सिटी येयली एंड आय वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू डॉक्टर देवांशु पटेल बाय अ कलीग ऑफ माइन saying that this first and foremost this land what they have purchased. I'm not a spokesperson, but I'm just saying because I know the fact. It was I think they have purchased it from a private owner. And when I was introduced to Doctor, the first that I put 2-3 points to it. First, I had told him that the local contracts, whatever work, jobs, everything has to be given to the owner. Second thing I told him that our goals, first and foremost, my constituency from Kepe, maximum numbers of employment has to be given. And the third thing, what I had proposed is whatever courses they are having, our Kepe people, our students, have to be given some discount and that whatever fees. So this were the 3 priorities what I had proposed. And today what I can say that there are almost more than 35 more odd people from my constituency working, might be in departments as professors, you can take from the higher posts, then clerical work, MTS, drivers, whatever other things. But from all the posts, from top to bottom, there are people who are working from my constituency, as well as other goals. So I am happy with whatever jobs they have provided. But see, when it comes to jobs, employment is a big issue in Goa. When it comes to jobs, with much of jobs, whatever he gives, Dr. gives, it is less because we have a lot of educated people in my constituency. I don't want to speak of the rest of Goa, but I'm talking particular to Kepe constituency. We have almost very high, good literacy rate in Kepe. So I urge the President that whatever maximum jobs have to be given to my constituency. Then whatever, if we don't have that profession, whoever, then it will be given to other rest of Goa.